Africa is one of the richest continents in natural resources: gold, oil, cobalt, diamonds, cocoa, lithium. But here's the question: why are most of these materials exported raw and manufactured somewhere else? How can a resource-rich continent import finished goods made from its own materials? Many African economies rely heavily on exporting raw materials, which account for over 60% of the continent's total exports. While this brings in revenue, it offers little value addition. When cocoa is exported raw, most profits are made where it's processed into chocolate. The same applies to oil, minerals, and agricultural goods. During colonial rule, infrastructure was built to extract resources, not to build local industry. Railways led from mines to ports. Factories were rarely established for local manufacturing. After independence, many countries inherited economies designed for export, not production. Manufacturing requires stable electricity. Yet, according to the World Bank, businesses in some sub-Saharan African countries face power outages for over 800 hours per year on average, dramatically increasing production costs. Transporting goods internally can sometimes cost more than exporting them. Building factories requires investment, skilled labor, and access to global markets. Countries in Asia invested heavily in manufacturing decades ago. They built supply chains, trade partnerships, and industrial zones. Africa is entering that competition later, but progress is happening. Some African countries are expanding manufacturing. Cement production, automobile assembly, food processing, and tech hardware are growing sectors. Currently, trade between African countries is only around 15% of the continent's total trade. The African Continental Free Trade Area aims to boost this by over 50%, creating a single market. The shift from exporting raw materials to producing finished goods may take time, but momentum is building. To drive this change, governments are creating special economic zones with tax incentives, investing in technical education to build a skilled workforce, and simplifying regulations for new businesses. Take Morocco's automotive industry, which now exports more cars to Europe than it imports. Or look at Kenya's growing pharmaceutical sector, producing essential medicines for the region. These are blueprints for success. Africa's resource wealth is not the problem. The challenge has been structure, infrastructure, and global competition. But manufacturing isn't impossible. It requires policy, investment, stability, and long-term planning. The future question isn't why Africa has little manufacturing. It's how fast it can build it. If you want more balanced, factual content about Africa's economy and future, subscribe to Africa Facts HQ. Comment below: what industry should Africa focus on first?